Keep food fresh in Florida. Smart fridge storage tips. In Florida's hot, humid climate, proper refrigerator storage is crucial for maintaining food safety and freshness. Keep your fridge at 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius and freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or -18 degrees Celsius. Use top shelves for drinks and leftovers, middle shelves for dairy, and the cold bottom shelf for raw proteins. Crisper drawers extend produce life with humidity control, while the door works best for condiments. Avoid overcrowding, use clear containers, and label leftovers. A well-organized fridge reduces waste and protects your family's health.